Hey, what's going on, traders? Doing a swing trade recap today. Checking up on my swing today. I'm chilling. Open up this app. So far, my swing is looking sexy, very sexy on the charts. The problem we have with this swing is the volume, you guys. Volume was kind of low, but it was a chance that I took because I seen a lot of breakout buyers come in buy it at 34 cents. I don't have a lot of lines, you guys, but I did a lot of technical analysis on this, and I've been holding for a minute. You guys, plan on this trade was to buy it at the bounce off the 52-week low and stay in this as long as it holds our trend. Even when it bounced, even when it kind of broke the trend right here, it came back for a few days, but came back on very, very low volume, and it held the 30 cents. A lot of buying volume came in right here. You can see this day was all like buyers. There was no sellers basically right here. Right here. And then it was a lot of bid support, 30 cents. Right here couldn't break. They kept holding at 30, and if you look closely, it still held our trend line. If you look right here, you guys, let me make this look cooler. If you look like right here, this yellow line, let me make it a different color so you guys could see. Here's green. So you guys could see 1, 2, 3, 4 times and held our trend line. And if I make this a green one, just like yesterday's video, you guys, what was our pattern, you guys? Nobody left a comment yet, but there's a triangle pattern, ascending triangle, a wedge pattern, a breakout pattern, different names, pennant pattern. But you could see right here, like it's on a breakout. It broke the downtrend. It started reversing up, and there's kind of a rumor that the company said the company might have a sale or a reverse merger. I'm seeing some people buying right here, like something's gonna happen soon. But so far so good. This pattern's looking very good. Let me remove these lines, you guys. Let me give you guys a naked chart real fast to show you that so far so good. Clear drawing sets. We'll make new drawings. Yes. Okay. You see this? Look at that, you guys. Look at this. Let me make just so you guys could see the volume. So it could be a little clearer to you guys. Okay, you guys see this? See how weak the volume has been for the past few days? But there are still some buyers in this, you guys. There are still some buyers. Now, if I zoom out, let me zoom out. Look how ugly this chart is. Look how ugly this thing is. This thing is loaded with bag holders probably. Let me show you a 3-year chart. Now look at this, you guys. A few years ago when this thing IPO'd and all, this thing had a high of 11.45. I don't know what happened here. I guess earnings. Let me get rid of that. Earnings happened right here. Fell off the cliff a few years ago. This was still at $1 something. It was holding above $1 for a couple years, and then it was at $4, like maybe 6 in April. Failed FDA, had bad earnings, came right back down here to 50 cents, bounced a couple times to 70 cents. If I zoom in, you could probably see it better. Not really. Let's try this a little bit. This is like an ugly chart. If you don't like zoom in all the way, you can't really see it. You guys see that? Like, it's holding our 9 too. It's holding our 9. The bearish thing about it is the 50 MA is going down. That's a bearish sign. But what else is going down, you guys? The 200 moving average, if I zoom out, you'll probably see that going down. That's also a bearish sign. See, the 200 moving average is pointing down, and the 50 MA is pointing down. That's like indicator for swing trading, you know, to see if it's like bearish or something. But so far it's starting to curve. Like this right here, you could see it's starting to curve up. This is starting to look like a cup and handle forming. Let me talk about the gap to fill. Like, look at this gap to fill, you guys. The next gap we have to fill is like 50 cents. Some traders call this void, the void area. Like, look at all this void area, if you guys call it that. We got room till right here, basically. These damn flies are over here driving me nuts. Look at this little void area we have to fill. My plan's right here, you guys, but the thing is I need volume to get out of here. So if this thing breaks the 50 MA in the next couple days, I want to see buyers like get an alert. Some buyers buy, that's one of their strategies, or we have good news, or they have a reverse merger. And this is my target area right here, you guys. But if this thing's getting close to my target area, but I have 31,000 shares. So if it does get to my target, my plan is to try to sell most of my shares. If there's good news, good something, I'm probably going to hold a piece on to fill the gap right here for the void space. This is all void space, guys. This is all tradable area right here. That most likely is probably going to bounce. We're going to probably have a test of 38, 37 cents tomorrow, the day after this week. Hopefully it bounces to 45 and we get a test of 50 cents this weekend. So you guys, remember our motto, plan the trade the plan, do your due diligence, don't ever follow anybody's alerts. Anybody has any questions, leave in the comments. Good luck trading, anybody. You already know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and a subscribe, you guys. Peace out. Plan the trade the plan.